STOK stock analysis and price predictions for Monday next week, right, is Stoke Therapeutics stock and buy. I'm about to be breaking this down in this very short and brief 1-minute video. Now, if you watch my previous video, you see this and you know this. Zooming out, you will see this is 2 days ago, and certainly only if I wanted to see a pull down and a double break, I would have taken things up. It was 13:55 at the time of making this video, and it was 6:35 a.m. Eastern time at the time of making it, right? And guess where we're now? I'm well, it started pumping and delivering. What I'll do is just get rid of this stuff. I'll mark up this stop here as well. And technically, because it's still pumping, man, like, guess what I'm looking to do? Well, obviously to further double down, buy more. You know, and if it doesn't sort of pull down and shows me rules, then there's just no way that I'm looking to further do anything. And that's how STOK is looking like. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.